Why don't eggs tell each other jokes? Because they might crack up. Speaking of cracking up, today we're cracking open the secret to healthy, delicious soups for weight control. We'll be unveiling a variety of recipes that are not only mouth-wateringly good, but also great for those who want to keep their weight in check. From veggie delights to protein-packed concoctions, these soups are sure to satisfy your taste buds and waistline. So why wait? Let's dive into the world of healthy soups. Before we dive into the recipes, let's understand why soup is such an integral part of a healthy diet. Soup, my friends, is more than just a warm, comforting bowl of deliciousness. It's a secret weapon for anyone looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle or control their weight. Now you might be thinking, how can something so simple be so beneficial? Well, let's break it down. Firstly, soup is incredibly filling. When you consume a bowl of soup, you're not just slurping down liquid, you're eating a meal that's packed with fiber-rich vegetables, lean proteins, and wholesome grains. These elements take up space in your stomach, signaling your brain that you're full and helping curb your appetite for longer periods. Secondly, soup is hydrating. We all know the importance of hydration for overall health, but did you know that staying hydrated can also aid in weight control? When you're properly hydrated, your metabolism functions more efficiently, helping you burn calories more effectively. Plus, a lot of times we mistake thirst for hunger. So having a bowl of soup can help quench your thirst and prevent overeating. Next, soup is nutrient-dense. This is especially true for homemade soups where you can control what goes in. You can pack it with all sorts of vegetables, lean meats, and whole grains, making it a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And finally, soup is typically low in calories. Even a large bowl of soup can have fewer calories than a small, high-fat, high-sugar snack. This means you can eat a satisfying portion without worrying about exceeding your daily calorie limit. So you see, soup is more than just a prelude to your main course or a side dish. It's a dietary chameleon, capable of adapting to whatever your nutritional needs may be. It can be light and brothy for when you're looking for something low-calorie, or hearty and robust when you need something more substantial. So, soup isn't just a starter or a side dish, it's a powerful weapon in the battle against the bulge. Our first recipe is a classic, a hearty vegetable soup. Let's dive right into it. We'll start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need some aromatic onions and garlic. Onions are a great source of antioxidants, while garlic boosts your immune system. Then, we'll need a vibrant mix of vegetables. Think carrots, celery, and bell peppers. These veggies are packed with fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied. Next, we'll need some tomatoes. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamins A and C and can help combat free radicals in your body. We'll also throw in some hearty potatoes. Not only do they add a nice texture to our soup, but they're also an excellent source of vitamin C and potassium. Now let's move on to the herbs and spices. We'll use some fresh thyme and rosemary. These herbs not only add a burst of flavor, but also have anti-inflammatory properties. A pinch of salt and pepper will round up the flavor nicely. Once we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to start cooking. Heat some olive oil in a large pot. Olive oil is a healthy fat and is known for its heart-healthy properties. Once the oil is hot, add the onions and garlic. Sauté them until they turn a beautiful golden brown color. Next, add in your colorful medley of vegetables. Sauté them for a few minutes until they start to soften. Then, add the tomatoes and potatoes. Stir everything together and let it cook for a few more minutes. Now, it's time to add our herbs and seasoning. Add the thyme and rosemary, followed by a generous pinch of salt and pepper. Stir everything together and let the flavors meld. Once the vegetables are well coated in the herbs and spices, it's time to add the vegetable broth. The broth not only adds a depth of flavor, but also provides hydration. Let the soup simmer for about 20 minutes until all the vegetables are tender. And there you have it, a hearty and nutritious vegetable soup. Each ingredient in this soup plays a role in making it a healthy choice. The fiber from the vegetables helps keep you full, the vitamins and minerals boost your immune system, and the healthy fats from the olive oil support heart health. But the best part? This soup is absolutely delicious. It's warm, comforting, and packed with flavor. It's the kind of dish that makes you feel good from the inside out. And voila! A bowl of this soup is not just delicious, but also a great way to control your weight. So go ahead, give this recipe a try, and enjoy the goodness of hearty, healthy, and delicious vegetable soup. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Your engagement fuels our motivation to bring more such healthful delights. Share your thoughts and let's make this a community of healthy food lovers. Now back to our soup recipes. Our next recipe is a protein-packed chicken and bean soup. We're all familiar with the comforting warmth a bowl of chicken soup can provide. Today, we're giving this classic a healthy twist with the addition of protein-rich beans. This soup is not only hearty and delicious, but it's also an excellent choice for those conscious about their weight. Let's get started. First, we'll need a pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. Chicken is a lean source of protein, which helps you feel fuller for longer, reducing the urge to snack between meals. Next, we're going to add 1 onion, 2 carrots, and 2 stalks of celery, all finely chopped. These vegetables are low in calories but high in fiber, making them great for weight control. Plus, they add a delightful crunch and flavor to our soup. We'll also use 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Garlic is known for its numerous health benefits, including boosting your immune system and reducing inflammation. Now let's talk about the star of the show, beans. We'll need 2 cups of cooked beans. You can choose your favorite kind, but for this recipe, we suggest using either black beans or kidney beans. Beans are packed with fiber and protein, making them an excellent choice for a weight control diet. To season our soup, we'll use 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano and thyme. Herbs are a fantastic way to add flavor without adding calories. They also have numerous health benefits. For instance, oregano is rich in antioxidants, while thyme has antibacterial properties. Finally, we'll need 6 cups of low-sodium chicken broth. Opting for low-sodium broth helps control your sodium intake, which can contribute to water retention and bloating. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's put them together. Start by sautéing the onions, carrots, and celery in a large pot until they're soft. Then, add the garlic and cook for another minute. Next, add the chicken, beans, herbs, and broth. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer. Cook until the chicken is tender and thoroughly cooked. This usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Once the chicken is done, take it out of the pot and shred it. Then, return the shredded chicken to the soup. And voila, your chicken and bean soup is ready to serve. This soup is not only packed with protein and fiber, but it's also bursting with flavor. It's a comforting, hearty meal that's perfect for a cold day, yet light enough to help you maintain your weight. There you have it, a delicious protein-packed soup that's perfect for weight control. Our final recipe is a creamy, comforting pumpkin soup. As autumn leaves start to fall, we find comfort in the warm and velvety embrace of a good pumpkin soup. But did you know that this delightful dish is also a champion of good health and weight control? Let's dive into this recipe. To begin, you'll need a medium-sized pumpkin. Pumpkins are a fantastic source of fiber, helping you feel full while contributing minimal calories. Plus, they're packed with vitamin A, great for eye health and boosting your immune system. Alongside the star ingredient, gather 2 onions, a couple of garlic cloves, and a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Onions and garlic are both known for their immune-boosting properties, while ginger adds a touch of warmth and aids digestion. Next, we'll need a dash of olive oil. Olive oil is a healthier fat that can help reduce bad cholesterol levels and provide your body with essential nutrients. Following that, add a sprinkle of salt and pepper for taste, and a spoonful of honey to balance the flavors. Honey is a natural sweetener packed with antioxidants, making it a healthier alternative to refined sugar. Now let's get cooking. Start by roasting the pumpkin to bring out its natural sweetness. While that's in the oven, sauté the onions, garlic, and ginger in olive oil until they're soft and golden. Once the pumpkin is ready, scoop out its flesh and add it to the pot. Next, we'll add in vegetable broth. Vegetable broth is a low-calorie base that adds depth of flavor without the need for cream or milk. Bring the mix to a boil, then let it simmer until all the ingredients are tender. Now it's time for the fun part, blending. Using a hand blender, blend the soup until it's smooth and creamy. If you don't have a hand blender, a regular blender will do. Just make sure to blend in batches and be careful of the hot soup. To finish off, drizzle in the honey and stir well. It adds a hint of sweetness that complements the savory flavors perfectly. And there you go, your pumpkin soup is ready. Serve it up with a sprinkle of your favorite herbs for an extra touch of flavor. This pumpkin soup is not just a treat for your taste buds, but it's also a great way to control your weight. Its high fiber content will keep you satiated, helping curb those snack cravings. Plus, it's a low-calorie, nutrient-dense meal that's perfectly suited for a balanced diet. And there you have it, a bowl of creamy, comforting pumpkin soup that's also great for weight control. Remember, healthy doesn't have to mean boring. With the right recipes, you can enjoy delicious meals that are beneficial for your health too. So get your apron on and let's make healthy tasty. So, those were our 3 healthy soup recipes for weight control. We've been on quite a culinary journey today, haven't we? We began with a vibrant vegetable soup, a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with all the good stuff your body needs. It was a bowl full of goodness, wasn't it? And let's not forget, it's as tasty as it is healthy. Then we moved on to our hearty chicken and bean soup. It's protein-rich, it's filling, and it's a warm hug in a bowl. The beauty of this soup is that it's not just a meal, it's a strategy, a delicious way to keep those hunger pangs at bay and manage your weight. And finally, we delved into the world of comfort food with our pumpkin soup. Creamy, yet light, it's a guilt-free indulgence that's packed with vitamins and minerals. It's a reminder that eating healthily doesn't mean missing out on the foods you love. But here's the thing, friends. These aren't just recipes. They're small changes. Small changes that can have a big impact on your weight control journey. They're a way to nourish your body, to fuel it with what it needs, without feeling deprived or unsatisfied. Remember, it's not about drastic diets or punishing regimes. It's about balance. It's about making choices that support your health and your happiness. It's about finding joy in the food you eat and in the process of preparing it. These soups are more than just meals. They're stepping stones on your path to a healthier lifestyle. They're easy to prepare, delicious to taste, and beneficial to your body. They're a testament to the fact that good food and good health can go hand in hand. And isn't that a wonderful thing? So why not give these recipes a try? See how they fit into your life. See how they make you feel. And remember, the journey to a healthier you is a personal one. It's unique to you, so make it enjoyable. Make it something you look forward to. And while you're here, why not join our community? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, your experiences, your favorite soup recipes. So let's keep the conversation going. Happy cooking, and here's to a healthier you.